Hello everyone, welcome to JAR channel. We are going to share with you what to cook for tomorrow. We skipped for a week, not because of Angel didn't cook, it's because I've been traveling all around the world with Zoom as a Zoomer, and that's why we couldn't make the editing. Well, we'll be resuming to share with you more yummy and easy recipes. Did you try out our previous recipes? How was your finished dishes? Please do share with us in the comments. Today we are going to share with you one of the traditional classic Chinese Sichuan dish, double cooked pork with vegetable rice. Hope you will like it too. Please do get the detailed ingredients at the end of this video. JAR tips. Remember to wash and boil rice first, otherwise you will have no rice to eat after you cook dish. In a pan with boiling water, add ginger, green onion, and cooking wine, then place the pork belly. Then we'll cover the lid and boil for 10 to 15 minutes. While the pork is boiling, we can prepare other ingredients. First, remove inner core of the cabbage and chop into small pieces. Then, slice leek into small chunks. And slice garlic and green onion into thin strips. Then remove seeds in the chili if you don't fancy too much the spiciness. Slice green pepper into half and remove the seeds. Then slice into thick strips. After that, slice dried tofu. After chopping and slicing, we're now gonna make the sauce. Mix doubanjiang, sweet sauce, soy sauce, and dark soy sauce, and sugar. Add according to your taste. Remember to peel cabbage layer by layer while washing. And also wash the green pepper. And while washing the small pak choy, flip through the leaves. After we've prepared the ingredients and sauce, the pork is almost done. Then drain and clean pork using running water. Pluck any hair that is still on the skin of the pork. Slice, then dice baby bok choy. Prepare a pot of water, then add some oil once it has boiled. Place diced baby bok choy into the pot. And boil till it is soft. In the meantime, thinly slice the pork belly. Drain baby bok choy once it is cooked and softened, but not too long since it will turn yellow and the color is not good. JAR tips again, remove all water as much as possible from the baby bok choy, or else will make the rice too watery. Once pan is heated, add some oil. First, add the ginger slice and fry till aromatic. Then we'll fry the pork belly as well. After that, we'll fry the leek and green pepper and then dry the tofu too. After mixed it, we can pour the pre-mixed sauce. Add a little bit water, and after frying, we'll add the cabbage. And then cover the lid until the cabbage turns soft. Now we can make the vegetable rice. Place the baby bok choy into a big bowl. Mix some salt and sesame oil. Then place cooked rice into the bowl and fully mix with baby bok choy together. Once the rice is prepared, we can continue with the pork. Once the cabbage is softened, add dark soy sauce and mix well. Taste test and it's ready. If you like this wonderful and tasty classic Chinese Sichuan dish, double cooked pork with vegetable rice, let's try it tomorrow night. Please also like, share and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell next to it and you'll receive our next video at once. Thank you again for watching this video. We'll share with you next time what to cook for tomorrow. See you again and have a wonderful sunny Sunday.